Mr. Speaker, sir. May I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister why it has taken so long? May we know the reason?
Sir, in fact, there are so many reasons to explain, but briefly I just wanted to say, the moment we constituted high-level committee on the notification came out on the 4th June 2018. So the committee started sitting and collecting all the details. Then when we started sitting, then we found out so many things needs to be done, needs to be corrected, and even the present form of the agreement between the municipal board and its aim of MLAM was not that very clear. It was vague. So on the basis of that, we have to also see from the issue of the land ownership, number one, and then number two, I think in 2019, we were so lucky that ultimately Government of India considered Shillong city as one of the smart cities in the country, where we also think of redeveloping quite a number of places in and around Shillong. So taking all these issues into consideration, it takes a lot of time, sir, because we need to also have a detailed discussion with the stakeholders like the HIMA, MLAM, and then we need to also have a meeting with the district council because this area falls under the 6th schedule. So these are the issues where it takes so much time. But I would just like to inform the honourable member and the members of this August House that HLC will again sit very soon, and then report will be submitted to the government, sir.